Hello and good evening. The Chelsea game just finished and we won the game 3-1. To be honest, it was not easy at all. We got two penalties and it was very important. It was very important for us because we once again considered again. It is not that they scored, but it was a own goal by Reece James. He was not intended for that own goal. It just happened. But the way we are defending right now is I don't see the world class Chelsea they were 2-3 months ago when they are keeping clean sheet. Now they are regularly conceding one goal, two goal, three goals. I don't see the potential of winning. I don't see that. After Ben Chilwell got injured, we are conceding goals after goals. Yeah, in that Leeds game, Leeds United, we won 3-2. And in that game also we got two penalties, and in fact Jorginho scored the third goal, second penalty in 90 plus fourth minute. We won that game. And in the other hand, Manchester City and Liverpool, especially Manchester City, they are winning 4-0, 5-0, 6-0. Today they win 6-3 against Leicester side. Of course they are not in that good form, Leicester City, but still they are a good team and they are winning very casually, as if it is the game. 3 points are already given to them. They are playing so casually and scoring the goals here and there. I don't see that anyone stopping them, to be honest, unless Chelsea stops them on January 15th 2022, because in the new year we will play Liverpool and then we will play Manchester City on the 15th. So two big matches are coming up, and Mohamed Salah will be playing for Liverpool on that game. After that he will leave for his country, his duty in for Egypt after that Chelsea game. So he also has power to score goals, because in the last meeting he scored the penalty for Liverpool to make it 1-1 for Liverpool, and Chelsea drew that game. So very important games are coming up, and we are still 6 points behind Manchester City. 2 months ago we are 5 points ahead of Manchester City and Liverpool, and now we are 6 points behind them. And the way Arsenal are playing, I had never expected that they will play so amazingly. They scored 5 goals today, again 5 goals. It was not easy, because after first 3 games of this season they were bottom of the table, played 3, lost 3, and their goal difference was -9 or -10, just similar with Norwich. Just they were in 20th and Norwich was in 19th. But the way they are playing, they are in the fourth they are fourth in the table now. So Chelsea has to keep pace with, if Chelsea has to keep pace with Manchester City and Liverpool, then they have to win on January 1st and January 15th, because if they are slipping, or if that is a draw, it is also a good result if it is a draw, but we will feel like the trophy has slipped out of Chelsea's hand, because the way they are playing, I don't see anyone is going to stop Manchester City. The way they are playing, last season they were 8th in the table before Boxing Day, Manchester City, and yet they won the Premier League, third title in 4 years, and if they are going to win, it will be fourth title in 5th year. So I see the 3 teams are going for it: Manchester City, Liverpool, and Chelsea. But we have to stop. We have to start defending well. We cannot just give away goals. And today goals was very unfortunate, because I am not blaming Reece James. It was very unfortunate, but still we have to be better. And thankfully it is a win. We got 2 penalties, but I am glad that Chelsea won the game. But still it won't be easy, because we will be playing soon. So that's all for now. Thank you.